straight rushing to the orthodontist. I don't know if I'm gonna get my braces off today, but I'm gonna vlog it just in case because we never know. And I'm late. I'm like 2 minutes late though, so it's not that bad. Oh, I love the black. 6 more weeks, so we got until October. Hey vloggy vlog. So I just scheduled the removal of my braces for December. That is the update. I'm gonna have my braces in for another like month. My stomach growling. The other update is that one of my brackets is broken. They think that it's like popping open on its own because it was poking me last week, and I was like, huh, that's weird. So they think that it's popping open and closed on its own. Because I'm scheduled to get my braces removed, he said it's not that big of a deal, but if it like starts to bother me, then I could come back to get it closed again. But other than that, we have until December, which I got mixed feelings about. My appointment is for the 23rd, right before my birthday. So I'll be 27 with no braces, hopefully. But that's the update for you guys. I'm about to head to the beauty supply store to get some things and then hopefully go home and film some stuff and edit some stuff. I got so much filming and editing to do, but I don't have to go to work today. At least I'm not scheduled. I might go to work later just to pop in, but I haven't really decided yet. I told my manager that if I'm not busy, I might just stop in and help out, but I do want to get a lot of editing done, so we will see. And I'm kind of hungry, so I might go get some soup from Zoop. And that's the update. Today is my last day at work, and it's so surreal seeing the store so empty. Usually every spooky season I get some form of seasonal depression, and working at this store has helped me in so many ways that the coworkers will never understand. Halloween is my favorite holiday, and working with them, even because it's still retail at the end of the day, even the bad days, working with them made the bad days 20 times better. And today is my last day. I'm a little sad, but I'm not gonna cry. And I'm just happy that I got to work here. Maybe next year I'll reapply. Because it's crazy how I applied at 3 a.m. not thinking anything of it. And it really changed my life around. I know it sounds dramatic, but it did. And I'm just grateful to be here. That's all. Hey guys, real quick, if I can have a full transparent moment while I'm getting ready. Today is election day and I do not like voting. Now before you talk about the ancestors or my civic duties, I understand how powerful voting is and everything. I just don't like voting, and I can't, it's not a specific thing. I just get so anxious. And I don't know if something happened like during my childhood or what, but the whole process of voting just makes me anxious and uncomfortable, and I don't like doing it. I'm still gonna do it. I'm getting ready. I feel like if I feel more confident, maybe I'll feel more comfortable. So I'm doing my makeup. I'll put on a cute outfit. It's crazy how by the time you're watching this, the announcement of who the next president is going to be has already been made. Despite what your views are, what my views are, all the votes have been counted, everything's said and done. And I'm going to go vote by myself, which is even more nerve-wracking. I always feel like I don't do enough research, even though I know what I'm voting for. But the importance of this election is just nerve-wracking. If you feel any type of anxiety towards election in general or voting in general, trust that you are not alone and your feelings are valid. I do not like it. I'm gonna do it, but I do not like it. My bad, y'all. My dad just called to make sure I was going today. And can we talk about the harassment, low-key, the text messages and the phone calls? I'm so excited for that to be done with. And all of the videos and the ads and everything. I know as soon as I'm done, I'm not gonna feel any type of relief, which kind of sucks. I don't think I'm gonna watch it tonight. I think I'm just gonna go to sleep and then see what the outcome is. But I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I guess I'll show you guys my voting outfit, even though I don't really know I'm gonna wear, but I can show you guys my voting outfit. This is how the makeup turned out. Very extra, I know. It looks pretty good. Like, it looks really good. If I back up all the way, I'm just wearing this sweatshirt and some jeans. Nothing too serious. I tried on a couple different outfits, but at the end of the day, I really want to be extremely duper comfortable. My makeup is done, so I probably won't cry, or we'll have an anxiety attack with no tears. Hopefully we don't, but I am ready to go. I always wear this because this is my dad's. So it's big, it's comfortable, it makes me feel safe. So I'm about to go vote, and that's about it. I'm gonna vote, get some groceries maybe, and then stay inside. I don't know how to explain it. It just makes me so nervous. But hopefully I'm going at a pretty decent time where everybody should still be at work who does have work today. So hopefully there's no line for real, and it's like a quick and easy process. I think all I need is my ID and my keys, and that's about it. I might be stressed, but at least I look pretty. Just a girl, at least I look pretty. I need to clean my room. I'm still recovering from Halloween. Also, I did post that video. Thank you guys for all the Halloween support again. So I just posted my behind the scenes video. I have nothing to ramble about. I need to go. So I'll talk to you guys later. Deep breaths. You're gonna be okay. We're an adult doing adulting things. 4 hours later, this is how my makeup looks with no touch-ups or anything. I just want to show you. I did it. Yay! While I'm putting stuff away, real quick, I want to show you guys what I bought from Spirit Halloween. As my room is getting cleaner, I feel myself feeling a lot better. It is so crazy. I do not want to talk about the results, but I did get sick, I think, the day after. I don't know if it was a sinus thing, allergy thing, cold thing. I don't think it was a cold, because I had a cold in like August and I was dying, so I don't think that was it. I think I had like a sinus/allergy thing, but I'm fine now. I'm debating getting my flu shot. I've never had the flu, I don't think. I'm not a shots person, but I'm debating getting the flu shot. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got from Spirit Halloween. So of course, I picked up a costume. This isn't exactly my size, but it looked good, so I picked it up. This is how she looks, and it comes with a hood, and it's so cute. I thought if I want to be out and about in like a witchy vibe, I can wear this. And it's kind of big, but I'd rather have it be a little too big than a little too small. I also picked up some fishnets to go with it. These stars and moon celestial fishnets. I also picked up some other stuff for my friend for her birthday. I also got this makeup mixing palette. I just wanted it because it was cute. I thought maybe instead of using the back of my hand, I could use this. I got this zip up because I just wanted something to, I don't know, remember the good times. And I didn't want their mascot on it. I just wanted like plain Spirit. I like the bedazzle. Hopefully this lasts. I did take my apron and my name tag home because I just wanted to keep it. I also got this syringe pin because isn't this so cute? I got this for my keys. I don't know. I thought it was cute. Something about working there, I didn't want that many things because I see stuff all the time. And I also donated. It was kind of spur in the moment. I knew I was gonna donate, but I wasn't really sure how much. So I ended up donating, I think $50. We was trying to get to 50, but because of my discount, it kept like rearranging stuff. So I think I donated like $48, close to 50. Here's my very, very long receipt. And these are all the donations. Like this is the stuff I bought. And these are the donations. I really wish there was a way to like either type in how much you want on the keypad or just like do $5 at a time, because this is like $1. But yeah, I donated. She said I could keep this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I also picked up some bracelets. And my manager, she also makes these and they're so cute. If you donated a certain amount, she was giving these away. But then I think the district manager or somebody was like, you need to stop that, but whatever. So I got mine. It's so cute. Oh, I forgot. I also got another makeup thing, of course. I got these stamper sets. So it has a heart, star, moon, and a butterfly. I thought from the no makeup days or even the makeup days, I could just put these on my cheeks. Give me a little sprinkle of joy. That's everything that I got from Spirit. I'm gonna continue to clean. So get back to this montage because is it 5 in the morning? I think it's 5 in the morning. Back to cleaning. I'm about to go get some pizza and I wanted to show the vlog how I look. Maybe I should show you guys inside with better lighting. But I'm about to go get some pizza. Looking like this. Looking all cute. I'll show you guys my makeup when I get back inside because I think it looks really cute. Very fall-esque. I got the pizza. This is how the makeup turned out. It's so pretty. Is it giving fall? It's giving fall. I'm going to enjoy the pizza. I'll be right back. Cheers. must admit I look a little bit dusty, but I couldn't sleep last night, so I pre-parted my hair for a style because it's almost Thanksgiving, and I decided to come to Dunkin', you know, coffee, donuts. I've had so much on my mind lately. Thanksgiving is coming up, the holidays in general. I'm not a big holiday person. I do enjoy Christmas, I do enjoy Thanksgiving, but I'm just not big on that. I've been like fighting back the seasonal depression every single day. You gotta take one day at a time. And so far, I've been okay. I've had a couple down moments, but nothing too bad that's concerning yet. My birthday's coming up in December. Not sure I'm gonna do about that. The idea of turning 27 is still not ready for that at all. It's just so much on my mind lately. And sometimes when I get like this, my content starts to dwindle down. And I feel like I'm on a good wave right now that I want to keep posting and keep being consistent, at least try to be consistent. And so I've been writing out my content ideas for 2025, and the reality that 2025 is coming just hit, and I'm just like, whoa, that's a lot. I'm at a job right now that I'm grateful to have, but I'm still not that happy with. And it's kind of weird because I've never had a job that I've been like most of my jobs have been, okay, I'm content with this, I'm making money, cool. But this job is like, there's so much more I could be doing. And I know that's valid because, you know, I have a degree, like I have 2. So, and just, that's a valid opinion, but I feel like there's so much more I could be doing and it's bothering me, but I'm not actively doing anything about it. Like I'm not being as consistent online as I could be. I stopped applying to jobs as soon as I got that one, and I need to start applying again to see what else is out there. I've been tinkering with the idea of going back to school. Back to school for what? I don't know. So I don't know why I'm even tinkering that idea. I think I just need to be doing something. And my hobbies can only distract me for so long. And it's not that I'm not happy. It's just I'm still at a standstill and I feel like there's more and I'm not reaching that yet. And that's how I feel right now. But today's a new day. I'm gonna get some coffee and hopefully edit as much as I can and have a good Sunday because then I got work again on Monday. And then Tuesday, we're going back to Tennessee to see the grandparents. And then Thanksgiving, then come back, start all over again. Work, film, go to sleep. Work, film, go to sleep. And somewhere in the middle, I'll be editing. But I don't know how long this vlog is. I never know how long my vlogs are. And I feel like I should start editing this vlog so we can pick it up towards Christmas season. I'm thinking about filming some Christmassy makeup videos. I still haven't decided yet. I'm looking at the Black Friday sales. They're not Black Friday like how they Black Friday'd when I was younger, but it's okay. I'm thinking about what to get my family for presents. I'm thinking about, oh, I told YouTube I was going to do a giveaway when I get to 500. I'm past 500. So I'm still thinking about that. I just haven't figured out exactly how or what I want to do. I don't know if I want to like give like items, give cash. I haven't really fully decided yet. It's just a lot of things to be thinking about. But I think a nice white mocha latte and a glazed donut will help me settle my mind and mentally prepare for the go of the holiday season and aging up and then going to a new year. That's a lot. Wow. I almost forgot that I did participate in the Sephora sale and I got myself a few little goodies. I did tell my sister that she could get whatever she wanted for her birthday. So she got herself some goodies and then I was like, I might as well get myself something. I didn't really get a lot. I got 2 of the eye masks. These little patches, I like these. I kind of want to try the topicals one. I don't know, the first time that I used under eye mask, it was just for like the aesthetic of it, but I actually do enjoy it. So I might get some more. I got the Micro Smooth powder in the color 75 Hazelnut. Now that I'm looking at it, is this my shade? We're gonna find out together if this is my shade or not. I had to go grab it because when I usually set my face, if I ever set my face, I don't really do that often. But when I do, I use Maybelline Fit Me powder and 40 Dark. This is the powder that I usually use. They look kind of similar. I don't know. I was kind of nervous because it says deep golden. I don't know if this would be like too yellow or something. We'll find out. What I'm most excited for though is I got the Fenty hair. I saw this at checkout and I was like, okay, I might as well get it. So I got the Fenty hair, the Curl Crew. I got the Damage Repair Treatment and the Curl Defining Cream Set. So I think I'm going to deep condition with this and then do like maybe a twist out or something with this. And I can smell it through the box. This smells so good. The best way I could describe it right now is that my mom used to use A&D ointment on me and my sister. And it smells like that mixed with some type of perfume. It's not really floral. It's kind of musky, but it's kind of old lady-ish. I don't know. But I'm excited to try this out because if I do like this, then I'm going to try the other products from Fenty Hair. And I still do want to try the products from Beyonce's hair care line. I haven't tried that many new hair care products because products are getting expensive. I just want to get back on my hair product review, you know, grind. But that's all I got from Sephora. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm kind of all over the place. I'm sorry about that. But hope you enjoyed this vlog. When I look back at it, let's see how good it was. And give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.